Yo, what is going on YouTube? We got a lot of stuff to unbox and show you guys today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, man. What's going on YouTube? Thanks for tapping into another video. As always, today we got something very, very special for myself and for you guys. This is one of them long overdue cops. I actually had this pair before, sold it a little minute ago, instantly regretted it. So now we have them back in the collection today. I can't wait to see them things in hand. I want you guys to let me know how you feel about this sneaker when I do unbox and show you guys, man. So if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also leave a huge like on today's video. We're like a couple of subs away from 78,000 subscribers. You guys already know the goal is 100K this year. I appreciate all of the support you guys have been showing. We're super close to that 100K milestone, and I appreciate you guys' love and support. And also, before we jump into these unboxings, I also want to ask you guys, who went for these Air Jordan 1 low neutral grays? I actually was going to go for them. Then I was like, I don't know if I really like them, and I actually end up canceling the order. It's because I think I can get them from my local area. I don't think it's gonna be anything limited. They were still currently sitting on the Nike Sneakers app. So I might go into the mall tomorrow, see what the thing's hitting for, and I might pick them up. You guys might see one of them delayed W cops because I didn't know how much I was feeling them, but you guys see what we got on right now. You guys see what we got on right now. We got on the OutRank brand, and we got on the OutRank brand hat that goes perfectly with this Air Jordan 1 neutral gray drop. You guys know every single drop OutRank has you guys covered as far as matching the pair with the sneakers. Of course, you can have 100 pair of sneakers, but if you got nothing to go with it, the fit is just invalid. So you gotta have a spot to go to like OutRank that you gonna cop some dope, you know what I'm saying, apparel to go with those sneakers. So you guys can see right here, we got on the OutRank tee that goes with the neutral grays. Here's you guys some B-roll along with the hat, man. Check the hat out with the green under brim. Super nice snapback, I'm loving it. And then they also hit you with another tee that's available right now on their website, OutRank brand. I'm telling you, it goes perfect with these Air Jordan 1 low neutral grays. Use my code TheVintage, save you 10% off your entire order. Go check them out. I'm gonna link them down below in the description box, man. All right, so let's go ahead and get through all three of these packages. We're gonna start from the smallest to the largest. You know what I'm saying? Seeing what your boy TheVintage cops. So the first one right here is from Stockx. So, you know, recently the messenger bag's been kind of on the come up. Everybody wants them. Everybody wants a dope one. And I found this one on Stockx for a very, very reasonable price. I only paid like $112 for this one. Let's go ahead and pull this bad boy out. Got the Stockx receipt right here. And then let's go ahead and take this thing out real quick. Okay. Let's see what we got. This is the Trap Star messenger bag. Just wanted to have something else because I feel like I was wearing the same messenger bag over and over again. So I wanted to, you know what I'm saying, be a little bit versatile when I am rocking a messenger bag, you feel me? So here it goes. Really loving the quality. You guys can see you got Trap Star going down the strap right here and on the other side. And it can get pretty loose if I'm not mistaken. Never heard about this brand, but I literally searched messenger bag on StockX and I found this one. Really loving the quality. Got the mesh on the front. You also got this nice little clip. Let me show you that. Nice little clip right here. Check that out real quick. Yes, sir. And nothing else, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so just inside, you know what I'm saying, you can store whatever you need in there. If you know me, you already know it's inside my messenger bag. All right, man, so let's get into this next package right here. If you watched yesterday's video, you probably know exactly what's inside of here. And whoever made that joke about my huge knife, hey, don't be dagging me like that in the comments, man. I love this knife right here. I don't even remember where I got it from, but I ended up getting this a couple years ago, and I was like, why not just use this for unboxings, even though I got like a cool little gold one. I really like this one right here, man. So let's go ahead and get into this real quick. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Yes, sir. When I show you the box, you're gonna know exactly what they are. In 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check these bad boys out. We have a pair of Yeezy Slides. And you guys know I've been on the grind for Yeezy Slides. This right here is not my size. It's actually my brother-in-law's size. He don't know that yet. Hopefully you're not watching this video. So you guys see you got slide up top, and this is, I do not know the colorway name, but this is a size for my little bro. Gonna be well equipped. He always come over the crib. He always got on my wife's Yeezy Slides. So I was like, why not give him a pair, try for a size? And I actually got him these bad boys right here. Know he gonna love these things. He gonna go crazy when he do see them. So this is for the second unboxing. Nice little pair of Yeezy Slides that I didn't think I would hit, but lately confirmed and giving a lot of people some dubs. So I said, why not give it a try, give it a check. And now we got these bad boys. All right, man, so for the final package, you guys see it, man. This is what was long overdue. I regret selling it every day. Like every second of the day, I'm like, why did I sell these? What did I do? And I actually think I still got them, but I'm just gonna assume that I sold them. I got some sneakers upstairs in the attic, and I don't know what all shoes I did sell or lose because it was a huge transition between moving and selling some shoes, buying a house. It's just crazy, you feel me? But I'm gonna sum it up that I did sell them because I'm not going up in the attic until I move again to check, see if I do have them. So let's go ahead and get into here, bro. Let's go ahead and get into here. If you guys recently, you know what I'm saying, got a pair of shoes at your front door with the same tape, you know exactly what it is. So let's go ahead and get into these. Enough talking. Let's put the butcher's knife down and get into these things, man. Let's get into them. Yes, sir. We finally got them, bruh. Check it out. We have a pair of Yeezy 700s, bruh. Pair of 700s. You guys know confirmed, drop a couple of colorways. But if I'm hyping them up like this, you guys probably know exactly what they are. Size 9.5, which is my size, in the 700s. I don't know the first colorway, but I know it's core white and core black. Check it out right there, man. We got them back, bro. Let's go ahead and pop them open. Let's pop them open. Let's see what we got, man. And yes, sir. Finally, we got them back. The Wave Runner 700s, bro. And man, why did I sell these, bro? This is one of them OGs, one of the ones you gotta have in the collection. And of course, I sold them. And like I said, I don't know if I sold them or not yet. They're probably upstairs in the attic. But if you guys seen the situation I had up there, you won't go up there either, you feel me? But it has been a couple of pair of shoes. I'm like, damn, I thought I had this one. And it's either, like I said, I sold it or it's upstairs in a box in the attic, and I ain't trying to go through that hassle. So yeah, man, here we have them, Wave Runner 700s, bruh. This is, like I said, one of the ones you gotta have. And this has really made me fall in love with the 700 model. Actually got a couple other 700s as well in the collection. And this is, I guess you could say, the 2023 version. They don't feel any different. They don't look any different. So I'm guessing this is probably the ones they had in stock. Actually, I doubt it. I don't know. They could have it in stock, or they could have made new ones. I did see that some pairs had mold on them, and that was the issue with the lost and found Jordan ones. Like I said, I don't know if these are old pairs or if this is, you know what I'm saying, pair they just produced. You want to check out the size tag. Let me see if they got anything in here. And yeah, man, so the date says November 2021. So I don't know if this is from 2021 or what. All I know is I got a pair right now, and I ain't gonna do no complaining. I ain't gonna do no researching. Shouts out to the Confirm. Shouts out to Adidas for actually letting me secure one of them grails in the collection. This could honestly be a sneaker grail series because this is a grail. I know most of the time I'm always buying Jordans, you know what I'm saying, picking up grails as far as OG Jordans. But if you think about Yeezys, bro, this is definitely a OG when it comes to Yeezy 700s, Kanye in general, man. Definitely changed the game. When he dropped these bad boys, first people was hating on them, and then people started to love them. And I was one of them people. You guys can see we have them back in the collection, man. So if you guys been watching for a little minute, probably like the last month or so, ever since they've been doing these confirmed drops and stuff like that, I guess you see I've been falling back in love with Yeezys, because I actually picked up another pair of Yeezy Slides, which I showed in yesterday's video right here. Still another colorways of these, but I got these from the Confirmed app. And I went to SneakerCon ATL, I picked up a pair of foam runners, which I've been always eyeing, always wanted a pair in the collection. So your boy been on a Yeezy tear lately. Been copping nothing but Yeezys for my last couple cops. You guys let me know what your latest Yeezy pickups were from the Confirmed. Did you get any crazy W's? Did you get them turtle doves when they first dropped back in May? I want to see what you guys have been copping recently from Yeezy, man. Man, these things hard, bro. I don't care what nobody say. So yeah, I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Again, make sure you guys go check out OutRank, especially if you want to get something that goes perfect with the Air Jordan 1 neutral grays. They got you covered with the hat right here. Super crispy metallic gray, kind of get some silver pops in there. Really nice. And of course the tees always go tremendous with everything they match it to. So go check them out. I'm gonna link them down below. Use that code DaVintage to save you anything on their site, not just this drop, but anything in the past that they have dropped. You guys go check them out and go make a purchase. Like I said, use that code DaVintage to save you 10% off, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, especially if you like videos like this. I'm gonna keep it, you know what I'm saying, a little less edited than possible because I wanna show you guys a raw reaction of me actually unboxing these sneakers. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a huge like on today's video. And with all this being said, man, your boy DaVintage gonna catch you in next video, man. Peace.